Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. The Bulls made a strong comeback on Wall Street last Friday, ending a week of holiday-shortened and somewhat choppy trading. In the days ahead, all eyes are on labor market reports as investors look for clues about the U.S. economy's direction and what that could mean for the stock market. 1. The S&P 500, NASDAQ Composite, and Dow Jones Industrial Average each posted losses last week, despite a big rally on Friday. 2. The S&P 500 and NASDAQ both fell 0.5%, while the Dow dropped 0.6%. 3. It was a week of losing streaks. 5 straight down days for the S&P 500 and NASDAQ, and 4 for the Dow. Sure, it's now 2025, but as Jim Cramer said, the same stocks that are good are still good. 1. Semiconductor names like NVIDIA, which was our top performer last year, continued to shine. 1. NVIDIA gained 5.7% last week, trailing only oil and gas producer Coterra Energy and solar company Nextracker, both up around 6.5%. 2. We locked in a nearly 1,000% profit by trimming some NVIDIA shares on Thursday. 1. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang. Keynote at Sichuan's speech in Las Vegas kicks off Monday at 9:30 p.m. ET and is a major highlight of the week. There's been a lot of chatter that he'll spotlight the cost efficiency of NVIDIA's chips and emphasize how they can deliver stronger returns compared to other AI processors. This could help ease concerns that custom AI chips from competitors might threaten NVIDIA's turf. 2 JOLTS report on Tuesday morning. We get November's job openings and labor turnover survey, JOLTS. This metric reveals whether there's still a tight labor market or whether things are cooling off. Economists predict around 7.7 million job openings, which would match the prior month. 3. December's non-farm payroll report. The main event comes on Friday when we see December's job numbers. 1. Expectations. 155,000 new jobs, holding unemployment at 4.2%. 2. November surprised to the upside with 227,000 new jobs, so investors are watching closely to see if December follows suit. 4. ADP and initial jobless claims. Before the official government report on Friday, ADP's private sector data drops on Wednesday morning, calling for 130,000 added jobs in December. Also keep an eye on initial jobless claims, which will be out Wednesday as well, a day earlier than usual due to Thursday's National Day of Mourning for former President Jimmy Carter. These numbers will help shape Wall Street's view on Federal Reserve policy in 2025. A stronger-than-expected jobs report could fuel the idea that the Fed will keep monetary policy less accommodating, especially with the central bank forecasting only 2 interest rate cuts this year, down from 4. 5. Constellation Brands earnings. Modelo and Corona Brewer Constellation Brands reports Friday morning, moved from Thursday. Analysts expect earnings of $3.32 per share on revenue of $2.54 billion. The big focus will be on 1. Beer business growth rate. Last quarter's 6% was a step down from previous quarters that posted 8% to nearly 12%. 2. Wine and Spirits Division CEO Bill Newlands mentioned green shoots recently, so we'll see if there's any improvement. 3. Potential higher tariffs on Mexican imports under the new administration could affect Constellation, but analysts suggest they might secure an exemption. Week ahead calendar Monday, Jan 6. 1. 10 a.m. 1. ET. Durable goods and advanced total manufacturing, November. 2. 9:30 p.m. 2 ET. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang. Keynote at CES Tuesday, Jan 7. 1. 10 a.m. 1. ET. JOLTS report, November. ISM Services, December. 2. Earnings. Apogee Enterprises before bell. Kura Sushi USA after bell, Wednesday, Jan 8. 1. 8:15 a.m. 1. ET. ADP Employment Survey. 2. 8:30 a.m. 2. ET. Initial jobless claims. 3. 2 p.m. 3. ET. FOMC minutes. 4. Earnings. Angiodynamics, Helen of Troy, Simply Good Foods, Albertsons before bell, Penguin Solutions after bell, Thursday, Jan 9. 1. NYSE and NASDAQ closed for National Day of Mourning Friday, Jan 10. 1. 8:30 a.m. 1. ET. Non-farm payroll report, December. 2. 10 a.m. 2. ET. Preliminary Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index. 3. Earnings. Walgreens Boots Alliance, Delta Airlines, Constellation Brands before bell, WD-40 after bell. That's the lineup for the coming week. Job data, earnings, and major announcements from some of the biggest players in tech and beverage. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more market updates, and drop a comment if there's anything else you want me to cover. I'll see you all in the next one.